Today on Poster School, Zachary continues his discussion about Minecraft posters, including some surprises.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Poster School.
This Minecraft poster is a promotion poster for Minecraft. Now, a lot of things here really don't exist in your regular Minecraft world, like wither skeletons surfing on lava in the nether with the lava slides and ice cream trucks in the nether, and they don't have big zombies like that. They do have Herobrine. Herobrine does occasionally come, but yeah. And it doesn't really show a nether portal, but in terms of how they show where each one goes, like this is the stronghold. This should be in underground, but the promotion is kind of different. And this is the Ender world with the Ender Dragon. And everyone says that the Ender world is like, oh, that's the last thing to do is kill the Ender Dragon. When it's actually not. You go to the End cities, and you can only go there after you defeat the Ender Dragon, so you don't actually, complete Minecraft. You can't complete Minecraft. It's too long. You can build afterward. And then the Wither should be down here, and...
Where's the Wither? Where should it be?
It should be in the nether. It's a nether monster.
Yeah.
And the Iron Golem fighting the zombies is very accurate. And it's just funny. Like, this poster is very funny.
It's funny, but it's not accurate.
Some of it is accurate. Some of it. I mean,
so maybe
you definitely don't see creepers, with sunglasses on. They're mean people.
Oh, okay.
You don't see wither skeletons surfing on lava. And you don't see lava slides.
But that's to make the poster fun, I guess,
yeah,
right?
It's just a promotion thing.
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Let's watch my father linen back this poster.
Thank you, Zachary. The first thing I'm going to do is put glue on the back of this poster. It's a glossy poster, and we use wheat paste. Wheat paste is the same stuff they use for wallpaper, except we use a better kind. We roll the wheat paste onto the poster. Then the poster absorbs the wheat paste and expands. After that, we flip it around and roll out the poster so that we can push out the excess wheat paste and air pockets so that it lies really flat on this backing. Linen backing makes your poster stronger so that it will last longer. The thing that makes Minecraft posters different than very, very old posters is that Minecraft posters are glossy. They have a shiny surface, and because they have a shiny, glossy surface, we have to be extra careful in how we linen back them. I'm wiping off the poster with some sponges to make sure it's clean and that there's no wheat paste on the face. Glossy posters have to be very clean before they dry. Is there anybody out there who doesn't know what Minecraft is? In case there's some of you that don't know, Minecraft is a sandbox video game developed by Mojang Studios. The game was created by Marcus Notch Pearson in the Java programming language and released as a public alpha for personal computers in 2009 before officially releasing in November 2011 with Jens Bergensten taking over development. Minecraft has since been ported to various platforms and became the best-selling video game of all time, with 200 million copies sold across all platforms and 126 million monthly active users as of 2020. In Minecraft, players explore a blocky, procedurally generated 3D world with infinite terrain and may discover and extract raw materials, craft tools, and items. and build structures or earthworks. Depending on game mode, players can fight computer-controlled mobs as well as cooperate or compete against other players in the same world. Game modes include a survival mode in which players must acquire resources to build the world and maintain health, and a creative mode where players have unlimited resources. Players can modify the game to create new gameplay mechanics, items, and assets. Minecraft has been critically acclaimed, winning several awards and being cited as one of the greatest and most influential video games of all time, being inducted into the World Video Game Hall of Fame in June 2020. Social media, parodies, adaptations, merchandise, and the annual Minecon conventions played large roles in popularizing the game. It has also been used in educational environments, especially in the realm of computing systems, as virtual computers and hardware devices have been built in it. In 2014, Mojang and the Minecraft intellectual property were purchased by Microsoft for $2.5 billion. A number of spin-off games have also been produced, such as Minecraft Story Mode, Minecraft Dungeons, and Minecraft Earth. A few days have passed. The posters have dried on this stream, and I am cutting them down.
You want to cut that one down, Zach?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, I'll do it. I don't want to scare you. Come sit here. It's important we get the line straight. Usually I leave about a ½ an inch extra border around it. That way the owner of the poster can have the framer decide how much border to leave around it, depending on the kind of frame they're going to use to frame it. Although, I'm not sure if posters really are meant to be framed. I think they're just meant to be tacked to the wall. But it seems as though when posters get older, people start to want to treat them like fine art that they want to save. Okay.
This is the Nether from the 1.16 update, which was the most recent Minecraft update, and this is the overworld part of that update. As you can see, most of these things are actually inaccurate. Like in Minecraft, there are no spiders like those,
Or what? What else is inaccurate?
well, obviously these magmas don't go that big. Skeletons do not look like this.
So why do they picture them that way?
Well, this is kind of a poster, like a funny Minecraft poster, kind of showing a lot of like comedic things. They kind of messed around with Minecraft a little bit, making it look really funny.
Possibly the artists who did it don't know Minecraft very well?
Well, this artist kind of wanted to exaggerate Minecraft a little bit. There's a lot of artists that do these types of things. Like in some of the Minecraft books, they might distort the art and change it a little bit. So yeah.
What period was this poster printed?
1.16, the latest Minecraft update.
The 1.16. How often do they do Minecraft updates?
Every 2 to 3 months.
Oh, I see. So this is the latest poster, you think?
Yeah. The next Minecraft update is the mountain update. They're gonna add goats and different types of snow, which was a choice between 3 biome updates: swamp, savanna, or mountain, and mountain got picked. In my opinion, the mountain biome was the worst, and they should have picked the swamp, where they were gonna have frogs, which would have been a really cool update. So, nice job, Dad!
What's that?
This is the iron golem. They used to be very rare in villages because villages used to be less advanced. But since the villager pillager update, they are in every single village that is not abandoned in Minecraft to protect the village from pillagers and ravengers, even though they get killed really easily. The iron golems. And sometimes you can protect villages from raids if there's a villager outpost nearby from the village. And I like protecting villages from raids, or I like raiding villages.
Now. Yeah, you set them up the way you think they should be set up.
So this poster and this poster were done by the same artist. They both have like similar designs for their creatures, like their ghasts. Here, it's very like
Where?
the ghast here and the ghast here. And they're both like a little bit exaggerated and funny because like there's no such thing as creepers wearing sunglasses and going into a spider bar in Minecraft. Or like here, some of these, like this big spider doesn't actually exist. So these two, but this one is from an earlier period of Minecraft, before 1.14. I'm using 1.14 as a mark in between the posters because that update was one of the latest out of 3. And this one's more from similar time to this poster over here. This poster is from 1.11, this one might be from 1.12. This one is from 1.13. It's also pretty recent, 2019 poster.
Mm-hmm. Is it more accurate?
Yes, it's much more accurate because there's even like a t-shirt of this. But it's a little different because they have less Minecraft characters in it. This just shows most of the Minecraft characters and mobs or creatures in the game. This is basically the icon symbol, and these two are kind of promoting Minecraft in like a exaggerated, inaccurate way. This is promoting the 1.16 update, the Nether update, because it only shows the overworld and the Nether. And a lot of these things here, like even this black structure here is a piglin temple, which is now in the new Nether update. And this is more promoting like the end cities and most of some of these new things in Minecraft, like in the overworld. But yeah.
This brings us to the end of poster school. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!